Gloria, come here. Gloria, ven, Gloriona. Ven, Gloria, ven, ven. She doesn't want to come. I don't know why I'm calling her though, because if she comes, she's going to start annoying me. But she's coming towards me slowly. That means she's coming to annoy me. Because if she was coming like, in peace, she would come straight away. Well, she might be coming in peace. Gloria, are you coming in peace or are you coming to annoy me? Hmm? Oh, she's scratching her tongue, look. Gloriana, Gloriana. How innocent she looks and how cheeky she is. Look, we've already started with her. No. I don't know if she's coming in peace, look.